lay the guitar on its back like this with the strings off. Now come closer, and the pickups that are inside the guitar are as such, as we've shown before. We're going to use an ordinary razor blade to remove them from the wire side. Pluck, and it's done very easily by going like so. Pry it in, and one of them is already out. Then the other one, the same way. This is the epoxy glue right here. It's just a simple hardware store instant epoxy. It's clear and very easy to get. Here we just gooped. That's way more than I need. Mix it very thoroughly. Just one drop of the glue, once it's mixed, which only took a few seconds, on the pickup as such. Then wipe off your hand. And then I put 2 string pins in here, without the strings of course, and we're going to just pile them right in. I'm going to push the pickup right there. And that is pretty much all that is necessary for this part of it. Is the mirror in there? Oh, let's move the mirror over. And oops, the pickup fell off. Let's put it back on. This glue is a little bit liquidy until the 1 minute comes where it starts to get harder, and it becomes easier to hold on as it's going on. Oops, I pulled it off again. So this will happen to you kids. You may be knocking the pickup off. There. It is now in place. Now, you also would like to back off the pickup just a hair from the string, so that way when the ball ends are in there, that it will not touch the pickup. So we're going to back it off a little, like so. And that's what it should look like. And you don't have to clamp that glue or that pickup on. When the glue begins to get hard and tacky, it will hold it in place. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go in and I'm going to push up on it just a little and make sure it's still straight. And in this case, it is still straight. And try to straighten this front of the pickup with the saddle line, which you can imagine it goes straight across where the end of the bridge plate goes. That way we know we're all nice and straight. With the second pickup, you can use the same glue because it's still kind of tacky. Or no, we can't. No. We're going to shoot one more. We're going to install one more again, use the same stick. I went right over the old glue that's already hardened because this stuff dries really quick. Something like 90 seconds. Dab, dab, dab. And we're going to go over here with the second pickup. Put it on like about that much. And then here's your 2 pins here that I popped in. And we're going to just, you can feel how I'm touching the pins, how I'm guiding myself into there. And then the mirror will show us where we are. Oops, let me move the mirror over. There. Something like that. And that's about, oh, so the in this case, that pickup is too close to the bridge pins. I'm going to back it off a little because I have another 60 seconds of time where I can, the glue is goopy, where I can move it and make adjustments like that. There. Nice and straight, far enough away from the pins and yet close enough. Now this was the old way to put them in. This was a magazine article in Italy that we did with the Acoustic Guitar Magazine, but now thanks to the new way, this should be a 1 minute installation, plus the sound quality is better this way.